Welcome to our step-by-step process on building a small finch aviary. Today, we'll show you how we have created a safe and comfortable home for our finches from start to finish. Firstly, we have removed the old tiles and prepared the foundation for our new feathered friend's home. After that, we have fixed the roof of our aviary to ensure our birds stay safe and dry. We'll be securing new weather-resistant panels and sealing all edges for maximum protection. It's time to fill the aviary floor with nutrient-rich garden soil. This will create a natural habitat for our birds. We'll spread it evenly and ensure it's well-packed for stability. Watch as our aviary transforms into a bird paradise. We're enhancing our finches' aviary to create a vibrant and cozy environment. First, we're planting trees to provide natural shelter and perches for our birds. Next, we're adding pebbles around the base to improve drainage and give the aviary a clean, polished look. After that, we have planted the grass to offer a soft ground cover and an extra layer of natural beauty. We're also placing a small cage for chicks, ensuring they have a safe space to grow and thrive. Finally, we're fixing decorative nest boxes around the aviary, giving our finches charming new homes. With these additions, our aviary is now a perfect haven for our feathered friends. We're securing the aviary with a durable mesh and aluminum frame. This ensures our birds are safe while allowing plenty of fresh air and sunlight. First, we measure and cut the mesh to fit the frame perfectly. Precision is key for a snug fit. Next, we fix the mesh onto the aluminum frame using sturdy clips and screws, ensuring it's tightly secured. Finally, we inspect the mesh for any gaps or loose ends, making sure everything is secure and bird-proof. Here we have our finches ready for their big move. Each species has its unique beauty and personality. and we can't wait to see them thrive in their spacious new aviary. Our aviary is designed to mimic the natural habitats of these finches, providing plenty of space for flying, perching, and nesting. We ensure they have a balanced diet, fresh water, and the necessary conditions to thrive. One of the most delightful aspects of keeping finches is their song. Each species has its own distinct tune, adding a melodious background to your day. Finches also enjoy taking baths, which help them keep their feathers clean and in good condition. Watching them splash around is always a treat. Thank you for joining us on this tour of our finch aviary. We hope you enjoyed getting to know these wonderful birds as much as we do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about our feathered friends.